Hello? Yes. Hi. Thank you, Irma, for the introduction. And good afternoon, everyone. I'm Giacomo, introduced as co-founder and CEO of Lounjee. At Lounjee, we empower communities with a matchmaking and chat platform to drive engagement and monetization. So talking about communities, communities are the building blocks of our society. And today, it's so important where we see our society fragmenting. And 80% of millennials are actually looking to join communities and online communities. The problem with online communities, and in general, professional, especially professional communities, is that, they're lost their home. Why is that? Well, communities try to go on WhatsApp, on Slack, but as far as they go up in the number, it's a messy experience. They try to go to the house of LinkedIn, but it's actually, the groups are like a kind of a dead place with very little engagement. And Facebook, we know what's happened to Facebook in terms of engagement. However, something that I would like to underline is that a few weeks ago, Mark Zuckerberg actually said, we're going back to the roots. We're going back to online communities and groups. And inspired by communities in nature and communities that lasted for centuries in human society, we designed Lounjee, which is a platform, matchmaking and chat platform for professional communities. Focus on one thing, the matchmaking. And the reason why we focus on this is because the value of a network is in the nodes of the network themselves, which are the members. And so how we do that is we created an app that it doesn't start the video, it doesn't matter. The app will show you and will present you profiles that you should meet because they match your professional goals and interests, and explain in natural language like if it was an email introduction. But there's no human, there's just technology. And on the other side, you have a data-driven platform for the community leader to actually drive engagement in almost automatic fashion. And the results of this are high engagement. For example, in this example, Marie Curie Alumni Association. And this turns to be 10 times the engagement of equivalent platforms. So how do we do that? Because we picked the right ingredients and the right recipe. First of all, a matching algorithm, which is multidimensional, AI-ready, and is based on two key elements, what you're looking for and what you can offer. As simple as that is your intention, your professional intentions are there. On the other side, we have a simple user experience focused on quality versus quantity. And we match you to anything. We will match you to events, to groups chat, to other communities. And you can join with the same app, you can join other groups and communities, making our infrastructure very, very unique. We play in a market that is growing fast. It's the enterprise social network and online communities. And what's interesting about this market is that everyone, every actor here wants to build a community. NOAH is a community. It's not just an event. And this is just, there are many out there like that. Our closest competitors is called Hybrid. They're focused on alumni solution, but they have no matchmaking. It's an old UX, and actually all the groups are separated, so it's not a social network behind. LinkedIn, well, LinkedIn is about the people that you know probably already. It's the network of today. At Lounjee, we tell you it's about the people that you don't know, but you should know, because of a very good reason. And the platform tells you why you should meet these people. Our business model is on a B2B SaaS model with a fixed annual fee and a variable depending on the number of users. But what's interesting about the model we introduced is that we're introducing a new way to monetize social networks. Not ads, but service. Let me give you an example. So let's take LinkedIn. Most of you might be in different LinkedIn groups. Well, as you know, let's say I'm a community leader. I spend my time animating this group with content. Well, members actually don't get any value because the product of LinkedIn groups is not designed to drive engagement and to handle communities. And so in the end, the only one cashing in is LinkedIn. So what we do, we actually enlarge the value of the pie, and we share the pie with the community leader, and the members. So the members, they get a valuable solution, that get access to the right people in their community, and curated news of content, which I believe you have experienced some problems on LinkedIn platform. And on the other side, the community will have a new home and monetization opportunity, which actually turns to be not only with the members who pay for the membership, but also the service providers who want to tap into these professional communities. So far we have invested $400K in the last 2 years, founders and love money. We built the tech infrastructure, we validated with metrics, business model, we're generating recurrent revenues. And now, by the end of the year, we are targeting 120K recurrent revenues, and we're preparing a 2 million seed round. So we are finalizing now the 150K with selected business angels this summer, and preparing for a 2 million round that would push up the revenues up to 1 million, and breaking even in 2022. So, talking about Lounjee, are we matching? I don't know. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a 2 million seed round, ambitious investors with knowledge of our sector. And what we can offer high potential startup. Actually, we have a team which is an execution machines, and we want to make a difference. And we're very ambitious on this project. We are 3 co-founders from 3 countries, Italy, France, and Ireland. It sounds like a joke, but it's not a joke. We have 40 years of experience in commercializing and building tech products. We are scientists, product designer, and serial entrepreneurs. And we carry together a vision. And the vision is that a new universe for professional networking composed and cored on communities where meaningful relationships are formed and good behaviors is rewarded. And we are not alone. Actually, the largest expert group in social networks is with us. The 2018 prize, George Simmel Prize, Emmanuel Lazega from Sciences Po, is endorsing us. And I'm happy to announce that the actual organization of INCNA will be sponsoring, we will be partnering with them. And if you want to try the app, use this link in the next 2 days so you can get a free premium for 1 year. Thank you.